I want to add my location map to the Contact Us page. Under the words, here is a map to our offices. So what I did is I went to the WordPress website and I downloaded the plugin and I've installed it. So if you look in the WordPress administrator, in my plugins section, you'll find the plugin itself, and beside it some description which says MapPress makes it easy to insert Google Maps in WordPress posts and pages. So I am hoping the first step is very straightforward. What we need to do is to navigate to the page where we want the map to be. So let's go to Pages, All Pages, Contact Us page. We need to edit that one. The first step is to go inside the text editor and put the cursor where we want the map to appear. Then scroll down the page a little and you'll find at the bottom a new MapPress dialog box. Click on New Map and give your map a location. My offices are in Bristol in the UK, so I add that as a location, and that gives me a general map which we're going to improve on in a second. But first let's go down the left hand side and add in a title. This can be this doesn't appear on your website, it's just for your administrative purposes. And then choose a size for your map. It can be bigger than this. The default is the medium size. It can be smaller or bigger, and in fact you can pick your own size for the map. Before we click on Save, let's move over to the right hand side, and we said that the map was a bit too general, so let's zoom in a little, and again, and let's say my offices aren't on Wine Street but are on Broad Street. I can pick up the pin and place it exactly where my offices are. I can also edit this text box by clicking on Edit, giving it a new title, Our Offices, and a fictitious address, 56 Broad Street. Click on Save here, and now this map here is exactly as it will appear on your website. So you might think, well, I want the pin or the location of my office to be in the center. Click on Center. You then think perhaps that's a bit too high because you can't read the dialog box. Very easy, you can drag it down a little. Once you're happy with the look of your map, click on Save, and the final step is to roll over the new map link and click on Insert into Post. If you now scroll up the page, you'll see the plugin has inserted some short code in the position where you want the location map to appear on your page. So if you scroll across, click on Update, and then navigate back to your website and refresh the Contact Us page, the map appears. And it appears with all the usual Google Maps functionality. Your visitors can see you in satellite view, they can zoom in, they can zoom out, they can see you in street view. Also, if you click on the pin, they'll get that dialog box which we've edited, and also directions to your offices.